Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering off and removing the headphones so you can work safely. Once done, set them on a soft towel. Next, detach the magnetic ear cups. Pull straight off to avoid bending the frame. Make sure to keep track of screws or small parts in a dish. You do this because accessing the headband edges makes cleaning effective without wetting electronics. It also prevents pressure that could warp the mesh or aluminum. You'll now clean the mesh and knit portions. Mix 1 drop of mild detergent in 250 ml water and dampen a microfiber cloth. Never soak the band. Dab and wipe small sections, then immediately blot with a dry cloth to avoid saturation. For stubborn spots, lightly swab with 70% isopropyl alcohol on a cotton tip, testing a hidden area first. Take your time, because once cleaned, you must let the headband air dry completely, at least 1 hour, away from direct sun and away from heaters, because heat can deform foam and adhesives. After drying, reattach the magnetic ear cups and check the fit and playback to confirm nothing was disturbed. If you notice lingering stains, odors, or stiffness, repeat the gentle cleaning steps. If problems persist, contact Apple support. This sequence ensures the headband stays comfortable and functional without risking internal damage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.